Hey, how's it going, Andy? I just wanted to do a quick update to a video I did earlier about the enumeration and the case, and I realized you could combine those to do call functions. And I was inspired to do this after looking at this code here in the verse documentation. They're trying to show you how a type macro works, but in the process of doing that, they're actually throwing in an enumerator and case expression at the same time on top of trying to show you something else. So this is a very muddled piece of code here. One thing I was noticing and looking at it is that this is incorrect right here, because anytime you use an expression with the decides specifier, you also need to include the transact. So that's not in here. So there's a lot of issues with this particular piece of code here. But anyway, I wanted to pull out the enumerator and the case to combine those to show you how cool it is and how this could really be a benefit. So up here in the code, what we have is we have the enumerator laid out here, and notice that it goes at the class level above here, right underneath our modules, and then we just write our identifier, our enumerator, enum, and we create our labels. And then down here, I'll get this to a point, but we create a function here, and the parameter is our enumerator. So we use our enumerator as the parameter. So this function takes the parameter of our enumerators. It doesn't return anything, then it comes in, and then we have our case, which is fed off of this variable that gets fed, and then we have we make our direction. So we have direction.north, south, east, west, and unknown. And then from here, these can then make function calls to whatever. So this could really become a huge time saver, because instead of having to do a print string or anything, you could just make a function call with the enumerator inside of it, and then it would do anything else that you needed it to do. So just be a really handy way of handling multiple tasks at one time, using a combination of the enumerator and the case expression together to call functions. So anyway, that's all I had. So in this case, we're calling the function, and then we're putting our enumeration here. And if I go into here, I can build the code and then just push those verse stages. It shouldn't take very long. And then if I come in here and I hit start, you'll see the direction is north. And that's just a call function based on using the case and the enumerator together. So anyway, I hope you found this helpful. Take care, have a great day, and I'll talk to you next time.